Good morning from Tommerup Farm. Please tune into sunrise because the weather is going to be direct from Tommerup Farm to celebrate Eat Local Month, which starts in June. But the program drops this morning and it's going to be amazing.
Across this morning, but we're at Tommerups Dairy Farm. Look at this, absolutely beautiful setup here. We can't wait to show you around this farm this morning. The Scenic Rim is over 4,000 square kilometres. It's a massive region here in Queensland. You're going to see beautiful sunrises out here this morning. There's so much to talk about. This is the main reason we wanted to get here today, because we're not far away from Eat Local Month happening in June. It's over 130, there's 140 events. It's people from around the world coming to this region to taste the delights, and you get to go to farms you wouldn't normally get to go to. There's long lunches. It's going to be an amazing event, so we'll tell you more about that soon. First, we'll do a check of your weather.
Yeah, nice one, Sam.
Absolutely. So what you're trying to do is get that buttermilk out of there.
Yeah.
You don't want to leave it in there because it goes rancid. So this is basically how you do it in the creamery, and you are doing this for about 4 hours.
Have a go?
Absolutely.
Yep, so just squashing it together.
Yeah, so you're just pushing
Getting
it
the
through
milk out.
like that, and you're trying to get that buttermilk out.
Yeah, okay. And I asked you before, I said, this is quite the workout.
Yeah.
And then you said, well, do you want to take me on in an arm wrestling? And I said,
I'll give you a crack, mate.
yes, I do. So we're going to end, this is quite unconventional, we're going to end this segment with an arm wrestle. Let's do this, let's get this out of the way for a moment.
Okay.
Here we go, okay? Put your arm in your mouth, is ready?
All right.
3, 2. Oh, this is good, this is... We might have to come back, guys. This is going for a while. This is a weird episode of Farmer Wants a Wife. We'll see you guys in more in half an hour. We'll call it a draw. Well played.